In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Classic Editor in WordPress. We'll walk through making quick, confident edits to your homepage, working with text and media, previewing on different devices, and then saving and launching your changes. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along as you edit. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor, then load your home template. This brings you to a live preview of your homepage, where you can make changes directly on the canvas. Once you're there, click on the home template to make sure it's active and selectable. You'll see the editing frame highlight, which means you're ready to start making adjustments. Click inside the area you want to change. Often, that's a hero section, headline, or a text block. When you do, the on-canvas toolbar and the settings panel become available. If you don't immediately see options, click again on the highlighted region to select the exact block you want. Keep an eye on the right-hand sidebar. It's where most block settings live, including layout, spacing, and style controls. Switch to the text tools to work on your copy. Type directly on the page and use the formatting controls to apply headings, bold or italic styles, alignment, and links. If you're updating core messaging, read it aloud to check flow and clarity. You can also adjust typography in the sidebar, things like font size and line height, so your text feels balanced and legible. Next, open the media section to manage images or video. Click the highlighted media block you want to change, then choose a new file from your library or upload one. Aim for optimized images so your page loads quickly. And don't forget descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. Before you finalize anything, preview your design on different devices. Switch to tablet view to make sure spacing and line breaks still look great. Then switch to mobile to confirm buttons are tappable and text remains readable. Toggle through these previews, and if something feels off, jump back to the editor and fine-tune padding, font size, or image cropping until everything looks right across devices. When you're happy with the result, click Save to store your edits. Finally, select Launch to push those updates live to your site. Give the page a quick refresh in a new browser tab to confirm everything published as expected. That's it. Opening your home template, refining text and media, checking tablet and mobile previews, and then saving and